What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. My name is Joop from the Clips. Every day I make YouTube video. Well, every day. Well, lately I've not been making videos. I've been planning to do them weekly instead of daily because of my private lives. I've been doing good lately in my private life, so I do not have all the time to be focusing on the market. But with that being said, let's get started. So to start with my analysis of the market, we have to see what's the current position of the market. As you can see, the NASDAQ is coming down. The S&P 500 is the same story. We are basically in a downtrend because of the interest rates that's been getting hiked up by the Federal Reserve. I do think we could reach some lower levels, but the overall market is coming down. The Dow Jones, same story. It went up to it went down to 28,000, and as I said, S&P 500, same thing. We could reach downstairs to these COVID numbers, but basically we're in a downtrend, and basically we're in a bear market, as you can see. So that's the current state of the market. And with that being said, it also has some influence on Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin's current price is now 19,314 to be exact. And as you can see, we are basically in a downtrend. We almost have reached the all-time high of 2017 and 28. So I do think we could have a little bit uptrend, a little bounce, but on long term I'm very bearish, and that's good because when I'm bearish, when it's bloody on the streets, I buy. It's not the particular mind state of most of the people, because most of the people, they want their Lamborghini by tomorrow, but I'm basically some of the people that have patience. It's a marathon, it's not a sprint. So with that being said, I do have a few things that I want to share with you guys. And before I continue, go subscribe on my YouTube channel. My name is Joop from the Clips. I try to make YouTube videos every day, weekly. Since now, I'm going to make videos every Sunday because I don't trade daily. Lately, I've been just patiently waiting on the side and just doing my research on the market and what it's exactly doing. And as I said before, the markets are coming down. The S&P 500 is coming down. That's 3,620, and I do think we could reach these COVID numbers in 3,200. As I said here, I said the financial market has been going down for months. It's been bloody because of the interest rates that's been going up by the Federal Reserve. We also have China and Taiwan. We also have the Ukraine war. So there are a few factors that have influence on the financial market, on the economic market. So there are other big players as large companies by market cap. Tesla has also been coming down since November 2021. Apple been doing the same. It's coming down. Amazon is around $106 per share. So I would suggest to stay on the side and just watch what the market is going to do. When it's going to bottom out, just get in. You don't have to be timing the market. It's just time in the market, as many people would say. So I hope you will learn something by this video. And yeah, just be patient. Don't try to buy your Lambo tomorrow. And you will see the money will come. Take a grab of my coffee. So one of the subjects that I want to share with you guys is Quant. Quant is basically a coin that's been investing in the financial market, big players. So I'm on their website, quant.network, and what they're trying to do is they try to empower banks, asset managers, and other financial institutions, enterprises, typically with international operations. So I've been watching Quant since about 40 bucks. The price of Quant is now 185, as you can see. And what makes this coin very special is because they have a lot of partnership with some big players. LA Chain, Nexi, I'm not familiar with, but Oracle. Oracle is a large database management. And you have to consider it's like Minecraft. All those big players, all those gaming platforms are trying to develop new games, but they don't have some great databases. So Minecraft is basically one great database because they have a lot of users. So when you have a lot of users, it means the database is pretty much evolving. So Oracle is basically the same method, it's the same theory. If you have a great database, it will influence the product that you try to sell. So as it said here, with their global base of more than 430,000 customers. So it's pretty important to have a big, great database that's evolving, that's been solving the bugs and etc. So yeah, they try to solve problems, pressing problems in the finance with solutions. Also, a big partnership they have is with KPMG, and KPMG asked them not to promote the partnership. Why, I don't know, but I can tell you guys that KPMG is also partnering with Quant, and you have seen that lately in the price. So yeah, I would suggest you guys to do your own due diligence. Go check out the website of quant.network and do your own due diligence. It's very, very important to make your own decision. It's not financial advice, but I would suggest you guys to really understand where you put your money in. So yeah, Quant unlocking the power of blockchain because they know money is gonna find a new platform, and a new platform is on the blockchain. So they try to deliver interoperable ecosystem and real-world solution that lower costs, enable new businesses, and mitigate risk. It's very promising, and as I said before, what makes me very interested about this coin is the great partnership that they have. And they also have something in the works about the CBDC. We all know that the CBDC is a way to control and to manage the money system. Yeah, despite the fact that I'm not very bullish and I'm not very happy about the whole CBDC narrative, it could be a good play to make some money. But with my own morals and the way I'm pretty much invested in Bitcoin, I'm not very positive about the whole CBDC narrative. But it's good to know that they also try to work with the government. So CBDC is one of those projects that the government is gonna try to realize, and Quant is one of those coins who's gonna do it, next to Ethereum, not to forget. So the price of one Quant is 185, as you can see. There's a max supply of 14 million. Bitcoin is 21 million, and the circulating supply is 12 million. So there's a lot of potential for this coin. So I could grab my calculator. Grab my calculator. One, two. Let me see. Let me see. The market cap of Ethereum is around 369 is around 200 billion. Okay, so let's get back 200 billion. Matter of fact, let's take the market cap of Ethereum. 150. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, divided by 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is 75. So if we then put 75 multiplied by the current price of Quant, 185, it could do 30,075 per coin. So that's some good prices. So I would suggest you guys to do your own due diligence and just, yeah. But we also have to consider, despite the fact that Quant is doing it great, the overall market is not doing great. So it also could be that in the next few months, when the market is going to rise, Quant will go down. but that's something that I not very have a lot of information about, but it could be something to consider. So yeah, it will be some nice prices to have a coin worth of 30,000, almost 14,000 per coin. So to get in for the price of current price of 185, that will be peanuts. That would be nothing. Okay. So the other thing that I want to share with you guys is also on the same subject. We're still on Quant. Is that it's about the ISO 222 compliant crypto list. So the ISO 222 crypto list is, I'm going to read it. It's a protocol standard. It's a protocol standard electronic data interchange between financial services in the payment industry. It is based on DLT, distributive ledger technology, and uses ISO 222 and messaging mechanism. ISO is a more advanced format based on XML protocol abstract. Okay, so what is more important for me is this phrase. Banks worldwide have already committed to the worldwide regulatory framework which banks SWIFT and the Federal Reserve, and as we move toward this new quantum financial system, and any third party that wants to interact with banks must be able to use the ISO 222 format. So ISO is 200 is changing. The banks and financial institutions worldwide are entering a new era as they gear up to switch their payment system from using SWIFT match to ISO 222. So this is basically the migration that's going to happen by 2025. And we're still here. So this is going to happen in a few next months. And guess what? Which coin is on the list on the ICO 222? That's Quant. And we got Ripple. We also got HBAR and XLM. So these are the coins that basically have the ICO 222 compliant as of this written. So that also made me bullish to go do some due diligence about these coins. So here's a quick guide on the migration journey. The ISO 200 is a standard global language for financial messaging, trade, cards, payments, securities, and FX. So futures is set to be the ISO is set to be the de facto standard for high valuable payment system of all reserve currency. So guys, I think there's enough said, guys. I think there's enough said. I will post a link under the subscription with this article so you guys can read. But that's basically all that I wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, go do your due diligence because Quant is going great lately. It's going bananas. So I've been watching it since the price of 40 bucks. And it's doing great lately. Let me put up the percentage, how much it's doing lately. So it's up 300%. It's up 300%. So I would suggest you guys to do your own due diligence and go watch what this coin can do for you. And I'm pretty bullish. So yeah. Lately, I've been on TikTok, so go on, hit me on TikTok, and I've been sharing some knowledge on some things, also some video about my trip to Haiti, and everything that I pretty much like and I'm interested about. I got a video about fear. I got a video about knowing thyself. I got a video about the whole structure of the world and where we're heading to. A lot of spirituality and that kind of thing. So I would suggest you guys to hit me on my TikTok and just send me a message for some information, and always do your own due diligence. You can also follow me on Twitter, joopvdclips.eth. I pretty much share everything that I like or not like about the world and things that I'm very invested in. So as you can see, Apple, as the current price is minus 30% discount. You also know that Apple and Amazon are the big players. I could share this website with you guys. So these are the large tech companies by market cap, and as you can see, Apple and let me see, earnings, well, revenue. Yeah, Apple and Amazon are those big players. So I would suggest for you guys just to buy you some shares because it's going down, down, down. And we can also could go much lower. So yeah. So that was my short video. I would suggest you guys to hit me up with the subscribe button and drop those likes. And I will see you next Sunday. And keep your eyes on the market. Be patient and just analyze and try to do your due diligence of which coins you would like to invest, and try to invest on some real product, real good companies with a good profit and good product that they're selling, like Nvidia and ASML. Those are big companies I'm very interested in. But as you can see, we're going down. Nvidia's current price is $112, and the all-time high was back in November 2021 with all the QE that was going on. The price of the Nvidia share was 344. So even if you would buy Nvidia at the current price, you would have a 65% discount. So, but as you can see, I'm interested maybe in those lower levels. We could reach some prices of $50 per share. But I'm a long-term player. I have a lot of patience, and so I don't really need a Lamborghini. So that's it. So with that being said, I hope to see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.